राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी गोपीजना वल्लभ जय गिरवरधारी जय गिरवरधारी यशोदानन्दना व्रजजना रञ्जना यशोदानन्दना व्रजजना रञ्जना यमुना तीरावनचारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे बोलो श्री राधा कृष्ण गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन धाम की जय जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा माई की जय समवेत भक्त वृंद की जय लता गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवत्युत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। हरि ओम तत्सत्। So Hare Krishna to all the Vaishnavas. Welcome to today's cyber class. We shall be reciting Shloka 12 from Canto 3 in Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled The Status Quo. Chapter 18, the battle between Lord Varaha, Lord Boar, and the demon Hiranyaksha. Let me open Shloka 12. Sorry, Shloka 8. त्वं पद्रथानां किल यूतपाधिपो घटस्वनो स्वस्तय आश्वनुहः संस्थाप्य चास्मान् प्रमृजाश्रुस्वकानां यः स्वां प्रतिज्ञां नातिपीपर्त्य सभ्यः त्वं पद्रथानां किल यूतपाधिपो घटस्वनोस्व हरे कृष्ण घटस्वनोस्वस्तय आश्वनुहः संस्थाप्य चास्मान् प्रमृजाश्रु स्वकानां यः स्वां प्रतिज्ञां नातिपीपर्त्य सभ्यः त्वं पद्रथानां किल यूतपाधिपो घटस्व नो स्वस्तयाश्वनुहः संस्थाप्य चास्मान् प्रमृजाश्रुस्वकानां यः स्वां प्रतिज्ञां नातिपीपर्त्य सभ्यः. Synonyms: Tvam, you, Padrathanam, of foot soldiers, Kila, indeed, Yuthapa, of the leaders, Adhipaha, the commander, Ghatasva, take steps, Naha, Hare Krishna, our, Ashvastaye, for defeat, Ashu, promptly, Anuhaha, without consideration, Samsthapya, having killed, Cha, and, Asman, us, Pramrija, wipe away, Ashru, tears, Swakanam, of your kith and kin, Yaha, he who, Swam, his own, Pratignam, promised word, Na, not, Atipi Parti, Hare Krishna, fulfills, Asabhyaha, not fit to sit in an assembly. Translation by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Maharaj Ki Jai. You are supposed to be the commander of many foot soldiers, and now you may take prompt steps to overthrow us. Give us all your foolish talk and wipe out the cares of your kith and kin by slaying us. One may be proud, yet he does not deserve a seat in an assembly if he fails to fulfill his promised word. Magnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshunmilitam Yenam Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vande Aham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalan Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swami Niti Namini Namacharya Padaya Nitai Kripa Pradayane Gaurkatha Damadaya Nagar Gramatarine Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabho Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishabhanasute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratashve Namaha Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam भक्तरूपा स्वरूपकं भक्तावतारां भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकम् आनन्दलीलामय विग्रहाय हेमाभदिव्याच्छवि सुन्दराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय श्रीचैतन्यचन्द्राय नमो नमस्ते। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीगुरुदीनतारिणं श्रीचैतन्येश्वरम्। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna to all the Vaishnavas. So now we are continuing in the talks of Lord Varaha's fitting reply to the demon Hiranyaksha, who is actually a devotee who has come down from the spiritual world to fulfill the Lord's desire to display his Veera Rasa. So we have the 12 kinds of rasas, so this is one of the secondary rasa. So they have gladly taken the birth in the demonic family. Now what is displayed here is Lord is teasing him, like Vishnu Priya Mataji was saying yesterday, like Mom was saying the other day, that there are some from 9 to 12 shlokas. Lord is giving the fitting reply to his insults to the Lord, which Lord had borne with tolerance, right? Imagine insulting your basically provider, the person who has provided all amenities to you, who has protected you, who has given you all provisions. You are going back and displaying the pride, right, arrogance to your provider, to your benefactor. So Lord is known as Varada, right? He gives benediction, Lord Varada, very famous. The other day our Prabhuji was saying, he was reciting Mukundamala Stotra. So if you read the first shloka, Lord has various names, and one of them there is Lord Varada. So he is now teasing the demon. What Lord is trying to do is incite the anger. So remember the other day we were speaking about the 5 features of ignorance, yeah? Tamaha, Moham, Mahamoham, Tamishram and the Tamishram. So now what is happening is slowly, so inciting the anger, that's what Lord is trying to do. The demon identifies, like us, we identify false identification or misidentification with his body, that I am this body, Moham. Then comes Mahamoham. He thinks he is the proprietor of the universe. Demon Hiranyaksha, the 3 universe, he thinks he's the proprietor and he owns the sun, the planets of the demigods and the earth and the lower planetary system. So he thinks, he even went all the way to insult Lord Varuna. You know, in the shloka, in the first canto, Lord has described the demigods as vibhutis, right? So what are vibhutis? This is beautiful shloka in the 3rd canto, which is describing the 22 Leela avatars of the Lord. So right after description of that, then he's talking about vibhutis. Rishayo Manavo Deva, first quartet. Second quartet, Manu Putra Mahajasa. Okay. Then what happens? The first line he's saying Rishayo, all the sages, all the Manus. Then Deva, all the demigods, all the Devatas. Manuputra, who are the strong or powerful humans, the sons of Manus, and the sons of Brahma. What are they? Kala. They are Kala, they are the Vibhutis of the Lord. Kala sarve harer eva sa prajapatayaha smritaha. So these are the Vibhutis of the Lord. And demon Hiranyaksha, he dare insult the Vibhutis, right? We know that Lord, like Lord Varaha, he is one of the Leela avatars or Vaibhava Rupa of the Lord, right? Tadaik Atma Rupa, the Amsha of the Lord. So in the Vibhutis, what does that mean? Lord has these are pious living entities who have been invested with Shakti to take care of the universal portfolio allotted to them to manage the universal affair in totality, right? These are the Devatas. This is the portfolio given them to manage, right? So on behalf of the Lord, on behalf of the original creator, also living original creator and original living entity, they are subservient to Lord Brahma also, right? So what are they doing? They are taking care of the portfolio given to them. So that's why they're Vibhuti. But if any of the living entities, they start or they manifest a slighter or a greater Shakti, they become Avesha avatar. So Vibhutis are very important. If you remember this very important shloka, all of you know this shloka. Even Gopi Radhika knows this shloka. Ete chamsa kala pumsaha krishnastu bhagavan swayam indrari vyakulam lokam mridayanti yuge yuge. Even the Gopi Samriddhi knows the shloka, right? So ete chamsa kala pumsaha, ete cha plus amsha, that is Lord Krishna and his amsha avatars, direct or indirect. So amshas, plenary portions and portions of the plenary portions. Then ete cha amsa kala. Kala means the vibhuti, which I just explained the shloka. These are all the sages, the demigods, the manus, the manuputra, the brahmaputras. They are all the vibhutis of the Lord, and so they are to be respected by the mankind, right? Because they are guiding in uplifting the consciousness of the living entities on the whole. So then Pumsaha means the Purusha avatars. So it's covering in wide Ete Chamsa Kala Pumsa. From whom? Krishnastu Bhagavan Sahim. From Lord Krishna. So very, very important. So what is happening? The demon Hiranyaksha dared to insult the Vibhuti of the Lord, that is Lord Varuna, and the other Devatas. Now Lord is teasing him. You are the hunted and I am the hunter. You are the dog that I'm hunting. Right? So it's a very nice simile, or you can call it like a jingle, you know, teasing Vad par Vad. Very nicely Lord is answering. So he's saying, stop protecting your kith and kin. Just get to action. Another thing is, there is this very nice word here, aswastaye. Very nice word called, please act to bring about. So please go ahead. You have been, propagating and basically bragging about defeating me. The Lord is saying, okay, ashwastaye, bring about my defeat. Please come. Then another word is saying is anuhaha. Stop thinking twice. So what Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur says very nicely, he says in one of his lectures that before you desire, please deserve. Did this demonic Hiranyaksha deserve to overtake or show proprietorship over the three worlds? No. So first deserve, then desire. Just like our Guru Parampara says. Alright, we are now the part and parcels of the Lord, right? We are directly related to the Lord. Now we know we are the child of the Lord. Now can we start throwing our weight around and bragging? No, you cannot. Because even same the Maitreya Muni, he was explaining in the 7th to Vidur. To Vidura, he was explaining in the 7th chapter when Vidura had asked two questions. That how is it possible that Lord as Ishvara is connected to this material world, right? So he's Swatripta, so he's always independent, Swarat, and he's Tripta, he's happy on his own. How is it that he's connected to this material world? And second was, how are the jivas despite knowing that the Lord is as Paramatma with them, are they engrossed in these 5 features of ignorance, right? So the Maitreya Muni, he explains very nicely. He says, unfortunately, it is moham, misidentification with this body, but there is a process to get relief from the kleshas, from the suffering. There is this very nice point of suffering. Is the demon Hiranyaksha suffering? Yes, he's suffering from knowing that there's someone even more powerful than him, and he's dying to defeat him, right? So what is that? What feature of ignorance that is? Ta Mishram, Mahamoham and Ta Mishram, that feature, right? There is this very nice verse in the 2nd canto, 9th chapter, when Lord Krishna is showing Brahma the Vaikuntha Loka, the spiritual world, right? So there is this very nice line, 2.9.9. There is this 3rd quartet where he's saying that he saw, Lord Brahma saw the Vaikuntha Loka free from suffering, sanklesha. Then he saw free from delusion. Then sadhusam, free from fear. This is what this is what we go through, and even exhibited at a greater scale by demon Hiranyaksha. Fear, sadhusam. Very nice line that is. Vyapeta sanklesha vimoha sadhusam. So we are having 5 kinds of klesha, suffering. Avidya, asmita, raga, dvesha, then abhinivesha. Avidya, 1 is ignorance. 2nd, asmita, false identity. 3rd, raga, attachment or attraction to the material world. Dvesha, because of this attraction, you start getting hatred if anyone does better than you or is enjoying more material propensity. And then abhinivesha, you get absorbed in the suffering or how to enjoy the sense objects more. So this is the demon Hiranyaksha. He has everything at his feet. He has power, he has fame. Everyone fears him. And he is now fearing that someone is stronger than him, who he can see, Lord Varaha, is daring to insult him. We can see that. So this 5 kleshas, it gives rise to what? Sanklesha vimoha. It gives rise to delusions, even more delusion. So we start like, it's like a weight which is weighing us down even further and then completely depressing us or pushing us down into this andhakar, andhamishra, andhatamishram, into complete ignorance. So very nice, the shloka is which is explained in Srimad Bhagavatam Canto 2, Chapter 9, Shloka 9, right? So very nicely explained. And then because of the sufferings and because of the delusion, the demon Hiranyaksha is going through the delusion. What happens? Sadhvasam, fear personifies, manifests, big time. Fear of anything that can overthrow your existence in any way, right? In any way. For a great personality, in the sense, why is demon Hiranyaksha great? Because he is able to take over the or even the devatas fear him, take over or even conquer the heavenly realm. So that is amazing, right? But as Lord Brahma had explained to them that this is the wish of Lord Vishnu, right? He narrated the story to them. So the devatas, on behalf of their Lord, they are tolerating and patience. So what Maitreya Muni says is for people like us. Now, this man or this great personality, demon Hiranyaksha, is only going to be cured by the Lord directly. But but we conditioned living beings are not so fortunate that Lord will come down, take a avatara for us and kill us. Or we will have direct sneha for the Lord. Unfortunately, because of millions of years of impressions of conditioned living, that I am this body, now we need an external intervention, and this external intervention is in the form of Guru Parampara, Bhagavata, by scriptures, Vedic scriptures, Guru Parampara. But Lord Chaitanya says, for the age of Kali, he's telling Lord Nityananda, spread this. E Prabhu kahe, Vaishnava sevana harinama sankirtana e dui kare, shigra pabe Shri Krishna charana. So if you do these two, Vaishnava sevana, how are we doing Vaishnava sevana? Even Maitreya Muni tells Vidura in the 7th chapter that how will you vanquish these kleshas, these miseries? Bhagavata bhakti yogena, and then automatically detachment comes, nivritti dharmena. Then what comes? Vasudevanukampaya. Lord Vasudeva's mercy comes. So how? Ashesha sanklesha samam vidhatte gunanuvarnana shravana murareha. By hearing and chanting about the Lord, in association, the constant, our sadhana bhakti, right? It purifies, and then maybe we can reach to the stage of raga or bhava. The last prema stage we don't know yet, but maybe the raga, the rati stage, and the bhava stage we can reach. So they're saying in the same shloka, Maitreya Muni is explaining to Vidura that in sadhana stage itself, you can basically reach the pinnacle of bhakti yoga. So what to speak of the people who are already at the bhava stage, who are already serving the lotus feet of the Lord. So I will end my class here. Small shloka, but very deep meaning. If anyone has any question, we can take it in the forum now. Otherwise, we will go to the next session of Krishna book reading or explanation by our Gopi Krishna Priya. Hare Krishna.